Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard language on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. And from here, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. From here, just tap on languages. Now, if you tap on add keyboard, you can add any language to your keyboard. For an example, if I select this one, and from here, just tap on done. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added a language to our keyboard. And similarly, you can add multiple languages to your keyboard. Just like that. Now from here, if you go back and open the keyboard on your smartphone, you can find this globe icon at the left side of the space bar. If you tap on this icon, you can change between the languages on your keyboard. Just like that. Now, if you want to delete a language from your keyboard, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard and select languages. Now from here, just swipe to the left side the language you want to delete. Just like that. And from here, if you go back and check the keyboard, as you can see, we have deleted all the languages except English. So that is why the globe icon has disappeared. And this is how to change the language on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.